Okay, in this video, you'll see a simple example that every business should have on their website for clients that land and want to have a quote, and you can get it pushed to HubSpot. It can create the quote in your system, let your sales guys know. So this is applicable across many industries, and here's the breakdown. So when a prospect lands on the website, fills out either the form or has the AI chatbot conversation, system qualifies them, looks up pricing from the ERP, sends a link to book to them, logs everything in HubSpot, and then notifies you along the way. It also researches the company and the person. So real quick, we'll go through it. So this is just makeshift on a local host. I set up a little chatbot. And what this is going to do, it would have a conversation if you need it, but it's just going to guide the client to a response. So then we're going to submit for a quote. It's going to email it. So that sends off to this workflow, and I'm not going to go into too much depth, but you can see that it's running. And what this workflow does is it qualifies using different agents. So this is a validator agent, and then these are all built specifically for this instance. It'll research, it'll push to HubSpot, and error logging too, just in case. So any errors will have logged in a Google Sheet. It can be a database, whichever. And whenever there is an error, we still are logging the deal to HubSpot. So even if they're not qualified, the information will still be in HubSpot. So here is what I have mimicking the ERP. So I built like a CPQ module within Supabase, which is just databases. So this is, as you see, it'll log the quotes in here as they come across, as they're posted to the ERP. And again, we're just running one post call and then a get call to get the quote when validated. We're making sure to validate the payloads before sent. So then after it all runs, you will get qualified leads within here in HubSpot. And then again, this can be set up however the sales pipeline looks like. I don't have a business, so it's going to look a little different here. And again, this is just a sample. So you'll get the qualified lead. If qualified, if not qualified, you'll see here, and with a reasoning, it'll have it all that, but it'll log them and just have disqualified in case you want to go through and think maybe the qualification was wrong. And then, yeah, so you'll see all your notes here and the quotes. And then the emails will come across here. So quote number, how long it's valid, all that. And then your book a call link, which can be linked to your sales hub. And then along the way, we can have here just notifications. And that can be sent via email, via Slack, whichever. So yeah, that is the whole process. If you want to go into it more in depth, I'm happy to walk through everything, how everything works, steps along the way, error handling, all of that. So yeah, thanks. Let me know what you think.